right, so I have had this pile of pine logs in my way for far too long, so I'm done with it. So we're going to use Sherman and the Log Grapple, if I could think. I guess I got brain freeze today. To take this all the way over to our HDXL and going to run this through the 8-way, fill a couple of totes, mark it specifically as pine for some campfire sales coming up this summer. But I want easy access into my IBC totes, or if we get more logs in from RJ, I just want to stack this out with all good hardwood, and I'm tired of driving around the pine logs, so they got to go. So that's what we're going to get into next. I've already got the HDXL warming up, and let's get to work so I can get more. Yeah, those were not small by any means, but the little guy did okay. There's another guy put on my Facebook comment section before, silly pallet forks. Why use pallet forks when you can use a log grapple, right? Whoops. Done mess that one up. right, so I picked up the pieces off the ground, kind of fussed them into the corners and whatnot. Got 4 full IBC totes of pine, and we're going to mark that as pine, not anything near the hardwood. And then this is that big nasty Y that we had that wouldn't go through because it's actually over 24 inches. It's actually about 27, 28 there, so that's why it wouldn't feed through. But I don't really know any processor that would take that, so I'll get the chainsaw and nip off that one leg and then finish her up. But gonna call it done for now. Nathan wants to go ice skating, so I should probably go see what's going on with the rest of the family. But there's our 4 full IBC totes of pine. All right, so that's the HDXL in action. And yes, you have to give me an ounce of grace because I am still getting used to the controls on this thing. That's why I threw that last piece in. And then some of the pine had like a big limb nub sticking off of it. So when it hit the splitter trough, it bounced and spun. Normally our processor logs are already been skinned through a delimber, but the pine was definitely on the lumpy and gummy side of things. So again, we have our 4 full IBC totes there. So I had a couple of logs that went on the deck. It was just about a full cord. The Log Grapple on the Ditch Witch 1550 definitely falls into the small but mighty category. Absolutely love that machine. And this big monster live deck on this HDXL is absolutely awesome. Once everything came up to temperature, it ran really, really good. It's just the saw takes so much oil to get that thing to go, and it was just so thick there at the very beginning. You could really hear the engine grunt down. But that side-to-side pivot conveyor, in my opinion, is priceless, because if that was like a big dump trailer, again, you just stay at the controls and just move the conveyor back and forth to fill it versus making a big cone and trying to knock it down, or leave the controls, jump into the cab of something and pull the trailer forward or back up or whatever. But it's just such a convenient feature on these. But yeah, got lots more on order from Timberwolf, whether it's an HDXL, the new little Pro LP, the LPXL, and the LP Diesel. All of those are on order. An MP gas, an MP diesel, and again, another HDXL is all on order from Timberwolf. They should be coming through here sometime this spring, hopefully sooner than later, and we will definitely feature them here on the channel. So if we can earn your business with that sales quote, please give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And yes, I am meeting with my web people on the 9th of January to start the overhaul. So we will get everything up to date over there on the website, which is also shaverequipment.com. But one thing that will never change with the website, it is the best and easiest place to grab our log lift firewood bags, our power lift bags, the 6th cord bags, and the barrel bags are all over on the website there. So again, just want to say thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And with equipment like this, working hard to be lazy definitely doesn't get any easier. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you next time.